Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful Profitec 700 Pro espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the PIV, the one that you see right here. We also had to replace the velocity valve. They recommend whenever you upgrade the PIV, you should replace this. You should also upgrade this. And yeah, that's all we did. We're gonna be testing the machine right now on water tank mode. Then we're gonna be using the water line. So starting with one shot of espresso, hopefully I pick up the right ground settings for this machine. Otherwise, we're gonna circulate coffee. We're gonna be testing this machine. Then we're gonna use the steam, then the hot water. As you can see, a little bit fast. So I probably should have put more coffee inside and tamper more harder as well. We're not gonna get any crema. This was just basically drip coffee. Yeah, I should have tampered more and put more coffee in there. Bear in mind, this is not the portafilter of the machine. The machine is not came with a portafilter. We're using a rocket one. And as you can see, the machine is working perfectly fine. Good water flow coming out of the group head. Steam, great temperature. Listen on the PIV according to the standard settings. So the volume is at 201 and the temperature is at 270. And yeah, so now we're gonna switch out to the water line mode. I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. The machine is now set up in water line mode. For that we have to flip that switch over there, and then we have to turn the lever that is behind the machine, so it will be on the water line position and on the water tank mode. And now, as you can see, setting group pressure coming out of the group head. Pressure is staying far, which is the pressure for the water line. Excellent pressure inside, and we're gonna run the water so we'll fill with the water line. And it's already full. Pretty fast. Alright, and there you have it. The Profitec 700 working once again with the new upgraded PIV and the velocity valve. And we did not find any issues, The machine did not never trip the breakers, something that the customer reported. But we did not encounter that at all, not on water tank mode or on water line mode. The machine never tripped the breaker. So thank you for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.